For millions of years, intelligence was nature's rarest gift, but now we're about to give it away. This is the story of humanity's greatest creation and possibly its last. Title appears on screen. The Rise of Superintelligence, a documentary-style journey into the mind of our most powerful invention. Humans rule Earth without competition, but we may be about to create something that changes that forever, our last invention. The most powerful tool, weapon, or even being ever imagined. Artificial superintelligence. This sounds like science fiction. So, let's start from the beginning. Intelligence means learning, reasoning, gaining knowledge, and using it to solve problems. And its power, we're the species that exploited it the most. But intelligence is expensive. It took millions of years for nature to favor it. Flatworms had the first primitive brains, tiny clusters of neurons. Over time, life grew more complex, competing for survival. Brains became tools for navigation, communication, survival. Then, 7 million years ago, hominins appeared. Something changed. Their intelligence turned from narrow to general, from a screwdriver to a multi-tool. They tamed fire, crafted tools, and passed down culture. 250,000 years ago, humans emerged with even bigger brains. We started asking questions. How? Why? With each answer came more questions. Progress exploded: agriculture, medicine, writing, astronomy. 200 years ago, science took off. 35 years ago, the internet connected us all. We live in a world made by us, for us, but we forget how steep the ladder was. Now, we may be about to build something more intelligent than ourselves, our final invention. Artificial intelligence. AI started simple. Lines of code, proof of concept. By the 1960s, we saw chatbots, molecule sorting programs. In 1997, AI beat the chess world champion. IT wasn't smart, but it was fast, too fast for any human to beat ever again. Then came self-learning machines, trained on data from the internet, neural networks that taught themselves. We don't fully know how they work, just that they do. ChatGPT changed everything. IT trained on nearly everything written online. IT can summarize, translate, even write poems. IT doesn't understand, but it performs. AI is now everywhere: banking, healthcare, media. IT writes. It creates. It decides, and it's just getting started. What happens if AI stops being narrow? What if AI becomes general? Like us, able to learn anything, solve any problem. Be good at everything faster, cheaper, tireless. That would disrupt everything. What if Augie worked on science, medicine, energy? Imagine a million minds working 24/7. And no fatigue, no distractions, no limits. But intelligence can also be used for war, for control, for destruction. A virus designed by an AI, a social platform so addictive people forget to eat. The power of a god in a box. And it doesn't end there. If Augie learns to improve itself, IT could upgrade faster than anything before. An intelligence explosion. Superintelligence might think in ways we can't even imagine. We'd be to it what ants are to us: harmless, irrelevant, or a threat. We were once the smartest animal, but we're building something that could surpass us. We may be the architects of our own obsolescence. Will it save us or replace us? The only thing we know for sure is that the race has already begun. The future isn't written yet, but we're writing it, line by line. In code, let's hope we get it right.